I'm Miss Zhang. Hi, I'm Mr. Bear. Welcome to Miss Zhang's storytelling class. Ah, 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 achoo! Oh, I catch a cold. Wow, Mr. Bear 感冒了诶。哦，现在因为新冠肺炎，感冒都让人觉得好害怕哦。Oh, I feel worried. 今天呢，就是要讲个故事，有关 catch a cold. Catch a cold. 哇，Miss 张，你要因应时事讲一个有关感冒的故事啊。Let's start. Before I tell you a story, let's do I see, I think, I wonder. Look at this picture. What do you see? Oh, in this picture, I see Piggy 豆桃栽. I see Piggy is upside down. And you think 为什么 Piggy 会豆桃栽啊？ I think they are playing. Gerald and Piggy are playing. 有时候玩就是这样啊，滚来滚去啊，翻来翻去啊。Ooh, and could you ask a question? Begins with why? Why is Gerald blowing? Why is Gerald blowing? 为什么那个 Gerald 吸了这么一大口气，然后感觉好像吹出去呢？这是我对这张图片的问题。Why is Gerald blowing? Maybe you will know the answer after listening to the story. Today, Miss Zhang will tell you a story. Pigs make me sneeze. Achoo! Pigs make me sneeze. Me? La 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 la. It's a happy day, Gerald. What do you want to do today? 每次啊，我们都可以计划出一个好玩的一天哦。And what do you want to do today? I want. Yes. What? 说清楚嘛。A ball, a swim, a hat. 啾！哎呀，这个 Gerald 的打喷嚏好像龙卷风哦！赶快把鼻涕擤进去，不要让各位同学看到了。Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no! 该不会是 What if? What if pigs made me sneeze? Achoo! Oh, come on! 这个 Gerald has too much imagination. 怎么会是 pigs make me sneeze? 怎么会是 pigs 让他打喷嚏的呢？他是不是想太多啊？ What if you try to sneeze more softly? 可不可以啊？就哈啾 sneeze more softly. 不要这样啾 sneeze strongly. Oh, sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, 这样会有什么问题啊？ If pigs do make Gerald sneeze, 如果真的是 pigs 的话，那他们两个人就要离很远啊，天离地有多远 Gerald 和 Piggy 就要离多远。Then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. We must be apart. But Gerald, 理性一点嘛 Gerald. No, do not speak. 不要再说了。Oh, come on. Gerald has too much imagination. 想太多了啦。He thinks too much. It's too late. I, Oh, look. Piggy is well prepared. 对啊，他连那个无敌钢盔都拿出来了。Piggy is well prepared. 诶，可是这一次 Gerald 会不会改进呢 ？Sneeze more softly. 啾！我有记得我好朋友告诉我的话哦。Goodbye, Gerald. 哦 Dr. Cat. Gerald is so sad. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. 你看那个 Dr. Cat 被他的声音啊，都已经震到毛都竖立起来了。And Piggy is a pig. 如果我的好朋友让我打喷嚏的话，那不就要一直跟他分开了吗？ Piggy is also my best friend. 啾！他好像有很多话想跟 Dr. Cat 说，可是还没说完，下一个喷嚏就打出来了。Great， 现在我知道了。Pigs make me sneeze。你呀，你也是，你站在我头上我就打喷嚏了。Cats make me sneeze too. And look at Dr. Cat. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. 不是我们哦。I think you have a cold. 对嘛，只是跟我一样啊。We catch a cold. A cold? You are sick. 休息一下就会好啦，睡个2-3天，多补充点营养。You will recover from your illness. I'm sick. 太棒了 I don't need to set apart from my best friend. I'm just sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I want to tell you great news. 我看那个 Dr. Cat 也要去看医生了，他已经脑震荡了。I have a cold. 我不是因为你哦，所以我才打喷嚏的，因为 I have a cold. Good for you. 那个 Piggy 也太衰了吧 She catches a cold from Gerald. She catches a cold from Gerald. The end. Before I say goodbye to you, I have a question for you. Do you feel worried when you catch a cold? Do you feel worried when you catch a cold? 我 啦，I don't feel worried when I catch a cold。但是啊，我现在疫情的这段时间，如果我有一点流鼻涕，有一点头痛，有一些发烧的症状，我都会很紧张。Now, during the pandemic, you feel worried when you catch a cold。但不管如何哦，Please stay home, stay safe。是啊，家是我们安全的堡垒。我们待在家，做一些有趣的活动，我们就能够远离病毒。I hope you feel very happy when you listen to the story. I'm happy when I listen to the story. And see you next time. Bye. Bye bye.